Guys, these are all the books that I bought just recently, and it's so many. Would you look at those? Alone with You in the Nether, which is a love story. Still Like an Artist, which means about inspiration. Five Language by Gary Chapman, like physical touch, blah blah blah, like that. Leonardo da Vinci, the one who's the greatest painter. Talk like that, so you can be a great TED speaker. And like biography ni Jose Rizal. Yes, I want to know his life and see searching for meaning, so you can know the meaning for life. Kasi it's about prison and they all persevere, and innovators, like how the big minds of the how they innovate in the world. Yeah, factfulness. It's like facts about the earth. The Goal, a recommended book by Mr. Beast. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, a recommended book by Elon Musk himself. And Outliers, Why Do People Become Successful? It says here. Sapiens, it's a brief, story of humankind. And Taking Fast and Slow talks about psychology, the brain, how it works. Gabby and Sal, LGBTQ stuff, yeah. Dragon Pearl, the first book I bought in my life and the first book I read before, and I'm now rebuying it because it's my first book, and I came back to it again. These are all the books I bought, yo. Yo, look at them. There's so many. There's so many. Freak. It's like kids. I have so many kids on my bed.